welcome guys, it's Tron here. I'm previewing the new Atlantis stem kit today, just dropped on DrumVault.com. It's got 20 loops, all with their stems, all with their midis, some dark loops, some happier loops, some bouncy stuff, mainly trap inspired and a bit of slower stuff in there too. So I'm just going to run through all the loops now, and then we're going to cook up a beat with one of them probably. So I'll just start up with this one. So yeah, as you can see, all inspired by that modern trap sound, and yeah, 20 really great loops. So I'm just going to cook up with this one. I think I really like this one. Set it to 170 and drag all these in. Get all the midis in as well, so I can follow along if I add any other melodies. Gonna start adding in some drums now. For my kick, I'm just gonna grab the 808 MIDI that was in the kit, paste it over, nice and easy, Alt K and get them on to C. I'm gonna go for a softer kick. Doing my open hats like that. Oh yeah, all these drums are from my Odyssey kit. Been using that one a lot right now. Gonna grab a snare from my lift-off drum kit. It's my first one. Need a bit of a harder hitting one for this beat. Yeah, that'll do. Now I'm gonna grab a hi-hat MIDI. I got Luxury's new hi-hat MIDI kit, Queens. Some really sick ones in here. Try some out. Yeah, I'm feeling that. It's going to be a really fast beat, this one. Right, I'm going to get a Omnisphere patch and add another melody. I've gone for this bell pad in my Aquamarine bank. It's really sick. Add in something with that. Right, now I'm gonna arrange all the patterns. Alright, so I've just arranged the beat using that stem. It was this one. So yeah, a bunch of fire loops in here. So yeah, 20 loops, all with stems, all with MIDI, so you get hundreds of files in there, a load of loops, all unique. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the kit, hope you guys enjoy the preview, and I'll see you in the next one.